3G. Informative videos. Vitamins and minerals are types of nutrients that your body needs to survive and stay healthy. Vitamins are substances that your body needs to grow and develop normally. Minerals are important for your body to stay healthy. Nutritional deficiency. The body requires many different vitamins and minerals that are crucial for both body development and preventing disease. They are not produced naturally in our body, so we have to get them from your diet. Lack of nutrition causes nutritional deficiency. Deficiencies can lead to a variety of health issues, say digestion problems, skin disorders, issues in bone growth. Nutrition consumption intake depends on your age, but sometimes your body is unable to absorb certain nutrients, leads to nutritional deficiency. Vitamins help your body grow and work the way it should. There are 13 vitamins, say A, B, C, D, E and K. Vitamins have different jobs, helping you resist infections, keeping your nerves healthy, helping your body get energy from food, your blood to clot properly. Minerals also help your body function. Some minerals, say iodine and fluoride, are only needed in very small quantities. Calcium, magnesium and potassium are needed in larger amounts. Here are some vitamin benefits and food sources for your reference. Vitamin A. It is essential for vision. It keeps tissues and skin healthy, and it plays an important role in bone growth and in the immune system. Food sources rich in vitamin A are eggs, shrimp, fish, fortified milk, butter, cheese, sweet potatoes, carrots, pumpkins, spinach, mangoes, turnip greens, etc. Vitamin B. It helps convert food into energy, and it is needed for healthy skin, hair, muscles and brain. Food sources rich in vitamin B are chicken, broccoli, mushrooms, avocados, brown rice, soy milk, watermelons, bananas, milk, eggs, yogurt, cheese, meats, green leafy vegetables, grains, cereals and etc. Vitamin C. It helps immune system and it acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing unstable molecules that can damage cells. Food sources rich in vitamin C are fruits, fruit juices, potatoes, broccoli, spinach, strawberries, tomatoes and etc. Vitamin D. It helps maintain normal blood levels of calcium and phosphorus, which strengthen bones. It also helps form teeth and bones. Food sources rich in vitamin D are milk, cereals, fish, and so on. Sun rays is also essential in vitamin D. Vitamin E. It acts as an antioxidant. It neutralizing unbalanced molecules that can damage cells. Food sources rich in vitamin E are wide variety of foods available, say wheat, leafy green vegetables, whole grains, nuts, vegetable oil, etc. Vitamin K. It activates proteins and calcium essential to blood clotting. Food sources rich in vitamin K are cabbage, eggs, milk, spinach, broccoli, sprouts, green vegetables and so on. Here are some mineral benefits and food sources for your reference. Iodine. It helps set body temperature and weight, and it prevents thyroid disorder. Food sources rich in iodine are iodized salt, processed foods, seafood, and so on. Fluoride. It encourages strong bone formation and it keeps dental cavities from starving or worsening. Food sources that is rich in fluoride are water that is fluoridated, toothpaste with fluoride, marine fish, tea, and so on. Calcium. It builds and protects bones and teeth and it helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Food sources rich in calcium are yogurt, cheese, milk, salmon, fortified juices, leafy green vegetables, etc. Magnesium. It is needed for many chemical reactions in the body and it helps build bones and teeth. Food sources rich in magnesium are green vegetables such as spinach and broccoli, cashews, sunflower seeds, whole wheat bread, milk, etc. Potassium. It balances fluids in the body and it helps maintain steady heartbeat and send nerve impulses. Food sources rich in potassium are meat, milk, fruits, vegetables, grains, and so on. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share for more videos.